guys,
we're
it's
back.
the twin sisters.
Oh yeah, twin and sisters. Today we're doing a dare challenge. See all our dares.
We got more. Just go pick them up. My water.
Wow, look at that. See, she's just like me. I want to go first.
Okay. You can't do that.
I know. I just like I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Are you
What?
kidding me? You splattered an Easter egg full of change on my head.
Okay. We got another Easter egg.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
I've done this before, and it hurts.
That's how it went. Oh God. Hopefully.
Oh, good job, Autumn.
Okay. We'll be
Champion
right back.
for you, right?
We'll be right back.
Well, yeah, we're just gonna be right back because, yeah, that's why.
Hello, people.
We're back. Here's my Easter egg. Just gonna do this quick. Ah. It like, ow, gosh, you're so mean.
That was my dare.
You're so mean.
Oh no. Oh, I thought I got in Peanut's water. Got in Peanut's food!
What?
Oh, it looks like it.
Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, well, she's in there. Thank you guys so much for being there and doing it, and yeah. So guys, by the way, please subscribe to my channel. Please leave comments below to tell me what you would want us to do, what kind of things you want us to do. So yeah, add lots of those, and we will.
Let's go.
Okay, I got
Eat Oobleck.
yes, yes. Oh my God, where's the spoon? Oh, it's called karma. And you
No,
get a
no.
big spoon. You get a big spoon because I took a big spoon. Big spoon, big
That's
spoon,
as much-
big spoon.
No, that's as much as I'm getting. Wait, let me.
That's fine. That's fine. That's how much I had. Show them. Okay, take a big. All of it. All of it.
Wait,
Autumn, you're just wasting
No,
it.
I'm not.
Ready? Open. Holding. 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 Isn't it delicious? It's delicious, right?
Yep.
It's delicious, guys.
Oh God, it's bad. Okay, guys, we'll be right back.
Yeah. Okay, we're back. And I'm
Okay.
still laughing. Okay, my turn.
It's not funny.
I'm scared.
Okay, go. Eat paper.
Ew. I have to eat paper?
Oh, like you've never done that, Kyla.
Oh, shut up. I really have to eat disgusting paper?
There you go. This much paper.
Yay! I can eat paper. Oh, I can do actually a really cool trick. I'll try it with paper. I'll see if it works. But I can eat something and then bring it back up.
Ew.
You see? Let's see. Ready?
No,
Okay.
no.
And what we and okay. Ready?
Okay, come on. And now to the next challenge. Where'd you put the hat? Get the hat.
Yeah.
We gotta
The paper goes over here.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm scared. Eat chapstick.
Oh,
Shoot.
curse word.
I said shoot.
No, take a bite. Take a bite. Show. No, you have to show it to him.
Let me see. We can't see.
Ooh, that was a big bite. You have to eat that. Eat that. You have to eat that. You
I don't
have
have to swallow it.
to, you have to eat that. Yeah.
This is like medicine.
Eat that. Eat
Like,
that.
I don't know.
Eat that. Eat that. Okay. Guys, chapstick is not very good. Okay. Okay, where's the pot?
It's like really.
Okay. Blank piece of paper. Okay.
Oh, that's what the piece of paper you're supposed to eat. Okay.
Okay, what's it say?
Like bottom of our shoe.
No.
This was the shoe you went in the pond with. This will be definitely clean. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's watch. Okay, you people. Wait. Oh, we gotta see it. You didn't look. That's the shoe you went in the pond with. Oh, it's upside down. Shoot. How funny was that? Okay, next thing. Ow.
You made me lick so much. I literally licked the whole bottom of the shoe.
Lick the floor. Not the
We're
floor.
gonna venture this downstairs.
No, not downstairs.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Home. We're gonna transport downstairs real
Ready,
fast.
set,
What? Go.
go.
Okay. Oh. Wait, I can't see you. Can you see yourself? Like that. No, you have to like drag your tongue all the way across from this tile. You have to drag your tongue all the way across this tile.
Oh no, it tastes like peanut butter.
No, drag it all the way across.
No, I did.
Stories. Oh my god, looks so creepy.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Wait, we gotta transport upstairs real fast.
Okay, ready? Set,
Set,
go.
go. We're back.
Okay.
Ugh.
So you guys back up? Ooh. School's
Okay, my turn.
Wait, I have to flip it around. Oh, geez.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Why funny?
There's only two more.
They say it's funny, but it's
There's only two more in there.
okay, go.
Oh, I really don't want to kiss your foot. Okay.
Kiss bottom up. Bottom's back fat. Oh! No.
Ah, delicious.
Fast. I already know what I'm gonna get.
Okay.
Ooh, I dropped my backpack.
Pick what you got.
Kiss
Oh.
bottom foot. I'm not doing this challenge
Oh
anymore.
yeah.
No, I'm not.
My sock.
Bye.
No. You better get back here. Get back here.
No. Chair. What foot is this?
Oh, actually.
It says kiss it.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. No.
Give it a.
Okay.
No, you have to give it. No, you have to kiss it. Really kiss it. Kiss it.
Okay, bye guys.
Thank you guys for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
And bye.